Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on Roslyn. So, after making landfall this morning at 6:20 a.m. with maximum sustained winds of 120 miles per hour in west central Mexico, Roslyn has rapidly weakened to a tropical depression, and as of 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Sunday, October the 23rd, tropical depression Roslyn has maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,005 millibars, and is moving northeast at 21 miles per hour. The remnants are going to move into Texas tomorrow morning and afternoon and interact with a storm system moving from the four corners to bring not only heavy rain but severe weather as well to much of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and even southern Kansas and Missouri. So, looking at the official cone for Roslyn, Roslyn is expected to dissipate over northeast Mexico and become a remnant low by 1 a.m. tonight. Now, looking at the severe weather threat for tomorrow across the United States, we have a slight risk of severe weather across the eastern third of Texas, southeastern corner of Oklahoma, southwestern corner of Arkansas, and western Louisiana in the yellow, and a marginal risk surrounding that in the dark green, and another marginal risk up in northern Minnesota. And this is driven by a 2% tornado risk across areas like San Antonio, Austin, Waco, Lufkin, Bryan College Station, and Houston of tornadoes within 25 miles of a location tomorrow. So we could be seeing one or two isolated spin up tornadoes in this green shaded region tomorrow. So make sure you are watching out for an isolated tornado spin up if you live in the green shade area. And tomorrow's damaging wind threat, we have a 15% wind risk in the yellow shade region and a 5% wind risk in the brown shade regions. And for hail, we have a broad 5% chance of quarter-sized hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the brown shade area tomorrow. So make sure that you look out for isolated large hail as well with these storms tomorrow. In addition to that, we're going to be timing out the storms. So by midnight Central Daylight Time tonight, the remnants of Hurricane Roslyn are going to be approaching the Rio Grande border with Texas, and we're going to be seeing initial light to moderate rain move across Texas overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. And then as the moisture meets up with the storm system moving east across New Mexico, we're going to be seeing a blowup of showers and storms across much of Oklahoma, central northwest Texas, and southern Kansas by tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. And going into the afternoon, the storms will push east, and we could be seeing some of these strong storms move across southern Oklahoma, northern and central Texas. And this will continue through about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and we could see a second wave of severe weather tomorrow evening between 7 and 10 o'clock p.m. move across central and southeast Texas. So make sure you are preparing for that, my friends. And looking at the total rainfall accumulation with the HRRR model, we could be seeing flooding issues across much of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri, as widespread rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches are likely, with lighter totals of about half an inch to an inch across much of north central and eastern Texas and Arkansas, according to the HRRR model. And looking at the NAM-NEST model, the NAM-NEST model is putting very heavy rainfall totals of 2 to 5 inches across Oklahoma, Missouri, southeast Kansas, northwest Arkansas, and northeast Texas about 1 to 4 inches. Even down to central Texas, the NAM-NEST model is putting about a half an inch to an inch of rain, with isolated totals up to 2 inches where the strongest storms are going to move. So, especially across this area in Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri and Arkansas, We could be seeing some flooding issues tomorrow as Roslyn's moisture combines with the storm system uh, and moves across these areas. And this leads us to our excessive flooding rainfall outlook, where the Weather Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of excessive flooding rainfall across northeast Texas, central eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, southeast Kansas, and southwestern Missouri in the yellow, and a marginal risk of excessive flooding rainfall in the green. So make sure you are looking out for flooding and turn around, don't drown if you come across any flooded roads or overpasses. So thanks for watching this evening's update on Roslyn, and make sure you prepare for the severe weather and flooding if you live across the South Central Plains tomorrow. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening, my friends.